City of Tarok, a rebuilt city after the Great War, with weathered walls, crumbling roofs, and, well, if you followed our first campaign, you probably know the story by now. After we restored many of the houses and city walls in our previous campaign, with the help of more than 1,800 backers, our architect has plans to raise the city on a new foundation. This time, literally. Meet your new, highly detailed, almost handcrafted buildings with the same features as before. Roof variations, detailed interiors, working doors, and now even more ways to customize them. These models are designed to be FDM printer friendly. Just drop and print, no supports needed. The foundations come in a few modular parts, so you can easily mix and match them to create any shape you need. Still want to push the detail further and bring the scenes to life? Use the dressing parts to customize your houses before you print. Add crates, flowers, signs, and make every corner feel unique. You'll get the same handcrafted look and detail you know from the first series, but with even more flexibility. We can deliver these models only with your help, and we hope to unlock more stretch goals and free rewards to make your pledge more valuable. Try out the free model, grab the exclusive items only our backers will receive, and help us build a buzzing city. Thank you for your support.